We are at 5755 South Merrimac Avenue. We are performing our second attempted repair on this shingle. In order to perform this attempted repair, I must loosen up this shingle right here and these shingles up top to take the nails out. Here we go. As you can see, I am doing this really light. Right there. You got a rip. Really doing it. It's gentle. Ooh, you see it right here? Right there. I'm doing it as gentle as possible. You can see, completely ripped. Right there, guys. Another one. Doing it as gentle as possible. So far, there are 4 rips on the shingles. Alright, there's another one. You know what? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rips on the shingle on the second attempted repair. The second attempted repair has failed. I will no longer proceed on taking the shingle out.